First things first, I am not doing this video because of views or because of anything or to shade Jaclyn Hill here in YouTube. I am not doing that. It's just my basic honest opinion about her lipsticks. So I'm not shading any brands here on my channel today. But my one question is, when you buy a lipstick, I'm talking to you guys, my subscribers, and everybody is watching this video. When you buy a lipstick, do you use a magnifying glass to see the most smallest hole in the lipstick? But when you buy a lipstick, will you be like this? Up close, personal to the lipstick? No. At point, at view, it looks beautiful. But when you use a magnifying glass, you can find flaws in every lipstick. There is a lot of drama and a lot of controversy that is going around the new Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks. So you guys know I love her a lot and she's one of my favorite YouTubers here. I wouldn't say it's because of her I started a YouTube channel. I got the inspiration from JACLYNHILL, Jeffree, Manu MUA. So I was really fresh out of the bed of a self-taught makeup artist. That's the reason why I wanted to create a YouTube channel to share with you guys my thoughts. So here is the packaging right here. I really find the packaging is really sleek because of the 3D diamond shaped packaging. Whenever you move the packaging, it actually like reflects light. I really adore the packaging. I have to give it to her for naming the names outside the packaging with the color shades as well. So as you flip it, you can see like I do see her ingredients of what she actually includes in the lipstick at the side of the packaging right here. They put the name and the shade, so when you open up the packaging, you have the exact shade and name inside the packaging. I am pleased about the individual packaging is the same. It's the diamond 3D effect. You have the shade names here. I love her lipstick component. Yeah, I do like it. It looks very luxurious. Definitely the component is what the price that what we paid for, I would definitely say. But I would lose the diamond on top because the diamond is not glass. If she would have to make this diamond a little bit more crystallized on top, it would have been a little bit more special. And then the GH over here, because if it's Jaclyn Cosmetics, it's supposed to actually be a J or JC, not JH. So if you guys want to know the weight, and it is similar to the Milani Bow matte lipsticks that I bought recently, they weigh almost the same. I want to share with you guys something that I did behind the scenes. So before I even received my product, there were a lot of like big influencers talking about the quality and the holes and everything. It got me super worried, and then I heard about contamination. Some people put it on the lips, they got staining, it got swollen. I emailed Jaclyn Cosmetics and I told them the following, which I'll throw up the email to show you guys. And then they replied back saying, "Hi Sabrina, thanks for reaching out to us. So sorry to hear that your order was delivered to you damaged. We definitely want to fix this. We issue a full refund for the damaged product." A day later, I got this. Jaclyn Cosmetics LLC has sent you a $69 USD refund to your purchase on 30th May 2019. This is not the first time I actually asked for a refund when it comes to products where I'm not satisfied. What the customer actually spent to buy your product with shipping all included, when you're going to issue a refund, you're going to refund the entire thing. Not only refund on the product cost and then eat up the shipping cost. That we are not rich. Actually like save up our money and our coins just to get Jaclyn Cosmetics lipstick, and in the end of the day, when the product is actually defected, we do not get a full refund. A full refund means what customer pays, your total bill, you return back the exact total bill. That is a full refund. This is not a full refund. That's my thought. This shade Control Freak is like almost my lip color. I really like it. Okay, so a lot of people are actually really concerned about staining, whether this lipstick actually stains. This is actually called Hot Toddy. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna swatch it, and even after swatching, you guys see there is like no particles in them. So probably I got like a pretty good batch. Next shade is going to go on is called Control Freak. So I'm going to swatch it right here. And as I'm swatching, I'm trying to actually see whether there are actually like particles like driven in between the lipstick, but there isn't any. Oh, this is sheer. Maybe you gotta warm it up a little bit. Okay, so let's go. So this is a fussy, and also at the tube there is like nothing. There isn't anything. So I'm literally gonna swatch it right here to see whether anything like comes out. But this is a little bit hard to swatch. I'm gonna leave this on my chest. On first note, after swatching all 3 lipstick, I am really liking the smell. The smell is like basically in between NYX buttercream lipsticks and Colourpop. They are like, the smell is like very in between. Since there is no particles in them, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and like swatch this entire arm right here and waste the lipstick, of course, to show you guys whether there is any like particles or anything else. Let's go. Oh, while swatching, it actually bent. It melted, guys. Look at that. Okay, it did melt, guys. Can you literally see that? My tube is shaking and it broke. No joke. Thank God I got a refund. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna put it back, shove it back in its tube with my own fingers, and I am literally gonna put it in the freezer. And this is control freak. All the amount that is actually opened up, and this is gonna go here, right here. There's no particles in them at all. The last shade I'm going to swatch is called Fussy, which is I have going on my lips right now. Can you see the bullet point I took out is like this? Why are the nudes melting? This shade, the formula feels weird on the skin, but yet it doesn't have any like particles in them at all. Okay, this is not bad. Honestly, guys, the lipstick didn't bend. It has no particles. Let's go ahead and take a wipe, and this is a baby wipe, guys. So there's no staining when it comes to like these 3 lipsticks. It was a little bit depressing when one shade actually melted on me, and that shade was called Hot Toddy. So right now it's in the freezer. Once I'm done with this video, I'll give it like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll take it out and I'll definitely give you guys like a short update in here in my YouTube video whether it actually attaches back. And I am so sorry if this video is going to be long, but I just want to give you guys my full in-depth thoughts. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a picture of a Marc Jacobs lipstick which I redeemed from Sephora Beauty Pass exclusive on the 28th of May. So we're not off. A newly small miniature lipstick also has its holes. I'm just being very fair to Jaclyn Cosmetics right now. I'm not throwing shade to any other brands. I did my own research and I'm showing you guys proof now that not only Jaclyn Cosmetics has that bubble. I'm a little bit frustrated when it comes to JACLYNHILL because I love her a lot. The first tweet that actually came out about her lipstick, she actually dissed it off and she said that it was because of dry lips and stuff like that. Found that the response was very rude, and especially when you have your own cosmetic line, you need to actually care about your customers' opinion. Eventually she apologized after when a lot of people actually started posting. Okay, and another issue that I'm very frustrated with JACLYNHILL Cosmetics, she actually waited 6 days to actually come on camera to talk about her receipts and manufacturing dates and her processing and her lab and the gloves. I asked you guys honestly, if I'm going to create my own line, I will actually inspect the lab, see how they work, how they process, how they do things around the lab before I even engage them to create my makeup line, because makeup is very sensitive. If you are addressing matters after 6 days of your launch with so many concerns out there, which only gives me the impression that you have not put in enough of effort, you gotta make sure that the lab gives you what you want. Which Jaclyn actually mentioned that in her launch video, that if it's a defected product, she's like no, this and that. So after she launches a product, she comes on camera and says that they use this and they use that. I mean, you should have known that they used that before you engage the lab. That is all I have to say about JACLYNHILL Cosmetics. If you guys ask me, I still love her. When she launches another new product, am I gonna jump on the train and race for her product? No. I would definitely wait like a month or 2 to see how her product actually launches. It's good, I'll buy it. And then if not, I don't want to waste my money. It's not cheap. We'll see coming future. I would not say that I'm done with JACLYNHILL. I'll give her the benefit of the doubt to actually like revamp her cosmetic line and take everybody's reviews and comments. So yeah, on another note, I want to thank all the drama that is caused by JACLYNHILL's Cosmetics. Every major influencer in YouTube who are doing beauty are going to use a magnifying glass from now on to check on their lipsticks, whether they have holes, whether they have fiber and all that fun stuff. So yeah, that's my thoughts and my reviews. It's ridiculous. Some points I find that she has lied. She has tried to actually cover up truth in so many occasions, in so many of our launches. I mean, all our launches are all bad. There's never one time that actually JACLYNHILL launched something that actually was smooth going. So I love you guys so much and catch me in my next video. Bye guys.